Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to make some brown or chocolate themed crafts. So for our first craft, I am making chocolate notebook. I found this old notebook and I am covering it with brown computer sheet. By the way, today is 7th July, which means today is National Chocolate Day. So that's where I got the idea of making this video. Then we will take some clay. I used like 1.5 packet of brown clay. I'm just gonna cover it with clay and make this pattern with the help of scale. So I made this color by mixing yellow, red and blue. Our chocolate notebook is ready. Our second craft is chocolate themed stickers. So firstly, I am making a love sketch. Then after our love sketch is ready, I am using acrylic to paint. You can use color pencils, crayons or basically anything you like. I am using yellow, red and blue to make chocolatey brown, then mixing white in it to also make a lighter shade. So we have got two shades of brown, a lighter one and a darker one. So this is how it looks after painting. Then I am outlining it with a pointer. You can also use a black ball pen or micron. Then after it is done, I am using cello tape to secure it. Cello tape gives it a shiny look and also makes it waterproof. Then I will paste double-sided tape at the back side of the page. Now I am just gonna simply cut the stickers and our stickers are ready. But the point is where to put them. So for that, we are making a storage box. As I needed a storage box for stickers, I am making a storage box, but I am going to make it look like a chocolate cake. As today our theme is chocolate. I found this old box. I am painting the cap with black paint. By the way, comment down what themed crafts I should do next. I am using tap technique to quickly cover the cap with black paint. We would leave the cap to dry and use the clay to make this pattern. Basically, I want this clay to look like a whipping cream. black chunks and the black paint is dried, I would also cover the sides of the cap with black paint. I wanted the brown clay to look like dripping, and I'm constantly trying to make it look like that, but I'm also constantly failing at it. By the way, if you're enjoying the video till now, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and let me know in the comments which video would you like to see next. And finally, after some time, I have made it look like kind of dripping. But I didn't really like the color of the dripping, so I covered it with this chocolatey brown that I made by mixing yellow, red and blue. And this is how it looks, but the orange just looks weird, so I also painted it with a lighter shade of brown. Now I would put the stickers inside it, but something felt missing, so I made a cherry with brown clay and painted it red. Our storage box is ready, or chocolate cake box is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down your favorite graph. See you in the next video. Bye.